Good morning everyone, my name is Anuj. I'm a second year MBBS student at GMC Nagpur and welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, let me take you through a day in my life where I work on my startup and also tell you a bit backstory about why I'm not actually studying for MBBS right now. Well, the day starts and without wasting any time, at around 8:30, I start working on the notes for Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Now, if you're a NEET aspirant or if you're an MBBS student, you might know it as one of the chapters from 12th class. So you might be wondering why I am actually studying a chapter from the 12th class. The answer is pretty simple. I'm reshooting all the lectures I made for Axon because my version 2 is gonna be epic. Here I am taking out the notes so that I could use them for first of all teaching the students as well as for putting them on the app to read. As time passes by, at around 10, I have read the complete chapter and finally I am ready to start recording. Before that, however, I have my breakfast and talk to my friend who is currently battling COVID. Just finished taking out all the notes for inheritance and variation. It's time to record the lecture. Let me take a quick shower and then set everything up to begin the recording of this session. Alright. I decided to set it up before I went into shower. I bought back my green screen and my stand and set it up and then started my computer and started adjusting everything. Connected my iPad for the wireless display and added the chroma key so that my green screen would go transparent. Set all the scenes and tested them out. This is all for the purpose of smooth video making so that I don't have to do any sort of editing after the video has been made. This will save me a lot of time in the future. The video looks very good. Just finished setting up this massive structure over there. I'm gonna go take a shower now and get back to recording. It was around 11:30 after I've done all of that, so I went to the bathroom and came back in a second, got ready and wore my favorite shirt and started recording Inheritance and Variation. This chapter I've divided into 4 different lectures dealing on the different topics which are present in the chapter. I try to explain it in the most easiest way I can. If you aren't aware about what I'm talking about, this is all for my app that is Axon, which is available in Play Store if you want to check that out. The idea for my app came to me last February. That's around 1 year and 2 months back. At that time I did not know what to do, how to make it. Now after around 14 months, I have a ton of experience. So I've spent a lot of my money just rebuilding, redeveloping, redesigning everything. After my first lot of recording was done, I went downstairs to have my food. Hi everyone, I just came back upstairs. I have done my lunch. It's time to work for like another 1 hour 30 minutes to complete all the lectures that I have to record for today. And then hopefully I should get some time for my own studies as well. Let's continue this journey. The next slot for recording began at around 2:35 and I recorded another 2 units for the same. What I've learned by doing all of these extracurricular activities is that the most important part for anybody is to start. I did not have an idea about what to do, how to make an app, but I actually started it, and that's the most important part. Hello everyone, I just finished recording for today's lectures. All the lectures are recorded. It's 4:30 right now and I'm kind of tired. The reason is to record a 2.5 hour lecture. The preparation that you need is for 5 hours. You're taking all the notes, making sure everything is perfect, setting up everything. Speaking is the worst. So finally it is all done and now I will take a break and study my own stuff. You might be wondering why am I not studying anything in this video? It's around 5 right now and still I haven't touched my books. So what is happening? To answer this question, let's roll back the time. It was the 15th of April while everything was going pretty smoothly. Actually, no, everything was not going very smoothly. The number of cases in Nagpur and Maharashtra and all over India were rising rapidly. Our university had not given us any sort of notification as to what is the situation for the examination. Will it be there? Will it not be there? And that was affecting us all. For the past 3 days, I had not studied a lot. The reason is, all this postponement issue kept getting into my head. So one fine morning I decided I will not turn on my net today. I called it no phone day and continued studying like regular preparation. I was tackling microbiology that day. The thing which I was revising was general micro. You have seen me revise it a lot of times and revision is one of the best things that you can ever do. Time was passing away. I was not at all feeling anxious. If you are ever anxious about something that you think is removable from your life, you should just do it. For me, it was the phone which was continuously reminding me to go and check the MUHS website for the notification. Coming back to studies, you can see over here that I'm practicing it from my own questions which I made. A lot of people ask me about these questions. First of all, you don't need to make it from every single line of the book. You only make it from the most important topics, and it's okay if those questions are very, very difficult, because unless and until you don't challenge yourself, you don't really know what you're capable of. So all of these questions are from general microbiology, starting from the different scientists all the way to the different antimicrobials. Answering this question gives an active recall phenomena, which I think everybody should try. I have a complete video coming about explaining how I do all of this very, very soon. The weather outside was amazing. I hadn't touched my phone. It was a very, very good day. What I also want to share is that there's something called as exam postponement thing going on with our university, MUHS. They haven't given a notification as of now, and they might have given it. I haven't checked my phone because to be honest, the last 2 or 3 days have been very, less productive because of all the postponement scene that was going on. Today I thought that postpone हो रही होगी तो ठीक है, नहीं हो रही होगी तो ठीक है, मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ दिन भर. That's what I thought. As simple as that. So I just got a call from Abhijit. He told me to check WhatsApp immediately. There's a lot of information floating around regarding the postponement. Here we go, turning on the Wi-Fi right now. Bro, I didn't get any messages. Okay, they are now coming. There's a lot of messages. To see for ourselves कि exam का actually में हुआ क्या है. Official में message delete हुआ है. Official में कुछ आया क्यों नहीं है यार? Undergraduate medical exams postponed in Maharashtra. Right. Cool. June. Alright. June is the way to go. Hello darkness, my old friend. Right, now you know why I'm not studying. Let's go back to the present day. I've just finished recording a few lectures, and now it's time to set everything back the way it was and actually get on to editing this video and doing some ENT lectures after this is done. Setting my green screen back, I change to another shirt and go back to the rooftop to witness the sunset, because all of the speaking and recording is too much. While watching the sunset, my mom brings me coffee, and while drinking coffee, I enjoy the look of the sunset. I think in life there is uncertainty in every single point. You're never really sure what is going to happen. It is this unpredictability that makes life beautiful. Imagine if everything was gonna go as you thought it would. It would not make any sense. It's the ups and downs, the dx by dt, that actually makes life amazing. What I request to all of you is that make the most of your time. Even when uncertainties are there, get over them. You are better than that, you are stronger than that, and challenge yourself to do new things. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, because I'm trying to reach 1 million by the end of the year, and without your help, it would be impossible. So please hit that red subscribe button, it would mean a lot. The best way to support me would be to share my content. And yeah, if you want to check out Axon, there's a link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. It's your boy, Anuj Pachhel. Please stay inside, stay safe, stay healthy and stay happy. Until next time, I will see you soon.